Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Children, before we start the class, shall we do one small warm-up exercise? Yes. Can you guess what is that? Yes, it is sit-ups. 1, 2, 3. Like this, you have to do 10 times. How many times you have to do, children? 10 times. If you will do this daily, your mind will be very fresh and active. Your mind will be very fresh and active. Children, we will be playing. We used to play. What we will used to play? We will used to play Ringa Ringa Roses. What you will do? We all friends will hold our hands and we will move in a circle and sing a song. Ringa Ringa Roses, Ringa Ringa Roses. Like that we will sing and we will play, right? In that time what we will do? We will enjoy, we will smile. So children, how you will enjoy? How you will enjoy? When you will move in the circle, if you see your friends, they will be smiling. So then what you will feel? You will be enjoying the game. So today, based on this, we are going to learn a poem. What we are going to learn? A poem. Poem means in Hindi, kavita. Poem means in Hindi, kavita. कविता का नाम चैप्टर 17 चकई की चकदुम. चकई की चकदुम. चकई. चकई means wheel. One more word also there in Hindi is pahiya. One more word also is there in Hindi, pahiya. See here, what is there? Pahiya. Pahiya means what? Wheel. So, chakai ke chakadum. So, chakadum means moving around. Chakadum means what? Rolling around or moving around. Now, shall we start the poem, children? Yes. Chakai ke chakadum. Chakai ke chakadum. Chakai ke chakadum. Chakai ke chakadum. गाँव की मड़ैया साथ रहे हम तुम. चकई के चकदुम. चकई के चकदुम. गावला की गैया दूध पिए हम तुम. ग्वाला की गैया दूध पिए हम तुम. चकई के चकदुम. चकई के चकदुम. कागज की नैया पार करे हम तुम. कागज की नैया पार करे हम तुम. चकई के चकदुम. चकई के चकदुम. फूलवा की बगिया फूल चुने हम तुम. फूलवा की बगिया फूल चुने हम तुम. चकई के चकदुम. चकई के चकदुम. खेल खत्म भैया आओ चले हम तुम. चकई के चकदुम. चकई के चकदुम. खेल खत्म भैया आओ चले हम तुम. Children, one more time. See here. चकई के चकदुम. चकई के चकदुम. चकई, what I said, a wheel of a bicycle. चकदुम, so we are rolling around. गाँव की मड़ैया. गाँव की मड़ैया. गाँव means village. मड़ैया. मड़ैया means hut. साथ रहे हम तुम. साथ रहे हम तुम means साथ, together. चकई के चकदुम. चकई के चकदुम. ग्वाला की गैया.
Gwala. Gwala means shepherd. Gwala means what, children? Shepherd.
गैया. गैया means गाय, cow. दूध पिए हम तुम. दूध, milk. चकई के चकदुम. चकई के चकदुम. ग्वाला की गैया दूध पिए हम तुम. चकई के चकदुम. चकई के चकदुम. कागज की नैया पार करे हम तुम. कागज, पेपर, नैया boat. So paper boat. पार करे हम तुम. पार means across. चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. फूलवा की बगिया, फूलवा की बगिया. फूल चुने हम तुम. फूलवा की बगिया. The flower garden. फूल means flower. चुने, choose or pick. चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. खेल खत्म भैया, आओ चले हम तुम. खेल play. खत्म means it's over. भैया brother. आओ चले हम तुम. आओ means let's go. Now children, we are going to see the meaning of the poem. So what I said, chakadu means rolling or rounding around the wheel. So children, shall we start to know the meaning of the poem? See, what is the first line? चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. गांव की मड़ैया, साथ रहे हम तुम. Like ringa ringa roses, here they are playing चकई के चकदुम and saying चकई के चकदुम. चकई के चकदुम means we are circling around a wheel. Circling around a wheel. We can stay together in a village hut. What I said, गांव की मड़ैया. So in a villages we can see lots of hut, right? झोपड़ी we will say in Hindi. साथ रहे हम तुम. So we can stay together in a village. We can stay together in a village. हम तुम means you and me. चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. ग्वाला की गैया, दूध पिए हम तुम. Again we are circling around a wheel. Circling around a wheel. So
Gwala means shepherd.
Age gaiya cow. So we all share milk among ourselves from our villages. We all share milk. We all share milk among ourselves from our villages. What? From our villages? Cow. From our villages? Cow. Gaiya means cow. चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. कागज की नैया, पार करे हम तुम. Again circling around a wheel. Circling around a wheel. कागज की नैया. So paper boat. पार करे हम तुम. So children, circling around a wheel. Circling around a wheel. We make paper boat and cross the river. So we make paper boat and across the river. In villages we can see a lot of rivers, right? In that we will make a paper boat and what we will do? We will play in the river and we will leave the paper boat in the river and what it will do? It will float in the water, right? Now after that what you will do? That paper boat will across the river. Now चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. फूलवा की बगिया, फूल चुने हम तुम. So again circling around a wheel. Circling around a wheel. So from the garden full of flowers, we can choose or pluck flowers what we want. So from a garden full of flowers, we can choose what? We can choose flowers or we can pluck flowers what we want. Now चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. खेल खत्म भैया, आओ चले हम तुम. So now what children? Circling around a wheel and that display was completed. Now we have played is finished. Now what we have played is finished. Come, let's go. Children, one more time shall we revise the poem? Yes. चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. गांव की मड़ैया, साथ रहे हम तुम. चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. ग्वाला की गैया, दूध पिए हम तुम. चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. कागज की नैया पार करे हम तुम। चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम, फूलवा की बगिया फूल चुने हम तुम। चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम, खेल खत्म भैया आओ चले हम तुम। Very good. We have completed the poem. Now we are going to write the book exercise. Children, take page number 99. Yes. Hum, tum, hum. You and me and you. So children, what they have given here? चकई के चकदुम, कवि बने हम तुम. Children, चकई के चकदुम circling around a wheel and we become a poet. Kavi means poet. Kavi means what, children? Poet. Now children, they have given a sentence here. We are going to complete this poem. Now children, listen here what they have given. चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम, अम्मा की रसोई खाना खाए हम तुम. Circling around a wheel, circling around a wheel in our mother's kitchen. We are going to eat a food. Amma, mother. Rasoi, kitchen. Khana khaye. We are going to eat. Hum tum, you and me. Chakai ke chakadum, chakai ke chakadum. So they have given here dash. Here we are going to fill our own thoughts. Now we are going to write, children. Listen. स्कूल में हुई छुट्टी नाच रहे हम तुम. स्कूल में हुई छुट्टी नाच रहे हम तुम. So today our school is a holiday. So what we are doing? We are enjoying. So स्कूल में हुई छुट्टी. School is, so afsa is क, बड़ी यू की मात्रा कु, ल स्कूल. म ए की मात्रा में, हु हा, छोटी यू की मात्रा हु, ई. स्कूल में हुई छुट्टी. छ, छोटी यू की मात्रा छु, ठ, नीचे हलंत इट, ठ, टी, बड़ी की मात्रा टी, छुट्टी. स्कूल में हुई छुट्टी. So today is a holiday. नाच, नाच, ना आ की मात्रा ना, च, नाच. र, ह, ए की मात्रा है, रहे. ह, म, हम. त, छोटी यू की मात्रा तू, म, तुम. नाच रहे हम तुम. स्कूल में हुई छुट्टी नाच रहे हम तुम. So today is a holiday and we are enjoying. Now next, here they have given chakai ke and dash. Here what you have to fill, right? Cha, ka, da, छोटी यू की मात्रा दू, ma, chakadum. Chakai ke chakadum. Again one more time, see this sentence and write. Chakai, chakai, ke, का, ए की मात्रा के, च, क, दा, छोटियों की मात्रा दू, मा, चकदुम. चकई के चकदुम. Again down, same sentence you have to write, children. चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. After चकदुम you have to put one comma. चकई के चकदुम, चकई के चकदुम. Yes. Now children, next see here. अब बनाकर देखो. अब बनाकर देखो. Now you do it and see. So पढ़ो और उसका चित्र बनाओ. So children, you have to read and you have to draw. So here they have given some sentences, children. According to the sentences, we are going to draw. What we are going to do? Yeah, we are going to draw and color. Okay, now first one. कागज की नैया पार करे हम तुम. What I have said, कागज की नैया. कागज की नैया means a paper boat. पार करे हम तुम. They are crossing across the river. So children, here you have to draw this picture. See here, a water is there and one boat and two children are there inside. See, like this you have to draw. Yes. Now second one, गांव की मड़ैया साथ रहे हम तुम. गांव की मड़ैया. I have said no, गांव is a village. मड़ैया hut. साथ रहे together. So children, you have to draw here a beautiful hut. See, a beautiful hut you have to draw. Yes. Now next, फूलवा की बगिया. फूल चुने हम तुम. फूलवा की बगिया, what I said, a garden of flowers. So now next, फूल चुने हम तुम. So we are going to choose or pluck the flowers in a garden. So here you have to draw some grasses and some flowers like a garden. And small garden you have to draw here. Yes, children, we have completed the book exercise. Yes, today what we have learned? We have remembered our Ringa Ringa Roses play. Yes or no? Yes. Likewise here also they are playing Chakkai Ke Chakkadum. So children, today we have learned a new poem. I think you will like it. Children, today we have completing till this. Thank you.